In this video, we're giving you the ultimate digital nomad budget template to answer that exact question. We'll cover the key factors that influence your expenses, break down a sample monthly budget, and show you how to calculate the income you'll need to live your dream lifestyle. Plus, we'll share practical tips for sticking to your budget and choosing the best destinations for your goals. If you dream of traveling the world while working remotely, but you're not sure how much money you need to make it happen, let's get started. When planning your digital nomad journey, understanding the factors that impact your budget is crucial. Let's take a closer look at each of these to help you make informed decisions and create a realistic financial plan. Location. Costs vary widely by destination. Southeast Asia is budget-friendly, while cities like Zurich or Tokyo are much pricier. Lifestyle choices. Shared accommodations and home cooking are cheaper, but private apartments and dining out can add up quickly. Work expenses. Budget for essentials like co-working spaces, reliable internet, and software subscriptions. Travel frequency. Frequent moves increase expenses for flights and transport, while staying longer in one spot can save money. Savings and emergencies. Always set aside funds for unexpected costs like medical needs or tech replacements. Creating a budget template is the first step to understanding your financial needs as a digital nomad. Here's how you can structure it. 1. Accommodation, 30–40% of budget. Accommodation will likely be your biggest expense. For example, a shared apartment in Medellin, Colombia might cost $500, while a studio in Barcelona could set you back $100–200. Research housing options based on your preferred destinations and lifestyle. Two, food and drinks, 20–25% of budget. Plan to spend $300 to $500 monthly on food. Cooking at home and exploring local markets can significantly reduce costs compared to dining out frequently. 3. Transportation, 10% of budget. Transportation costs vary by location. Budget around $100 for a scooter rental in Bali or $200 for public transit and ride shares in major cities. Consider walking or biking to save even more. 4. Work-related costs, 10–15% of budget. Include co-working spaces, reliable internet, and tools like software subscriptions. This could range from $100 to $200 monthly, depending on your setup and needs. 5. Travel and experiences, 10–15% of budget. Allocate funds for leisure activities like weekend trips, tours, or cultural experiences. For example, a guided hike or museum visit might cost $50 to $100. 6. Insurance and healthcare, 5–10% of budget. Don't overlook health and travel insurance. Budget $50 to $100 per month for comprehensive coverage. 7. Savings and miscellaneous, 10–20% of budget. Always set aside funds for emergencies and savings. This financial cushion ensures you're prepared for unexpected situations. This template is flexible, so adjust percentages based on your specific circumstances. By keeping track of these categories, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going and how much you need to sustain your lifestyle. Determining how much you need to earn each month as a digital nomad involves understanding your expenses and adding a buffer for savings and unexpected costs. Here's a simple formula to guide you. Monthly expenses x 1.3, minimum income needed. The 30% buffer is essential for building savings and covering emergencies. For example, if your total monthly expenses are $2,000, you should aim to earn at least $2,600. This ensures you're not just breaking even, but also preparing for unforeseen events. Your income goal might vary based on your lifestyle preferences, the destinations you choose, and whether you prioritize savings. A flexible yet realistic approach to this calculation is crucial for financial stability while traveling. Also, consider your earning methods. Are you freelancing, working remotely for a company, or generating passive income? Your income streams should align with your monthly financial goals and allow room for growth. Tips for sticking to your budget. 1. Track your expenses. Use apps like Nomad List, Trail Wallet, or Google Sheets to keep a detailed record of your spending. Regularly review your budget to identify areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds. 2. Research locations in advance. Before choosing your next destination, use tools like Numbeo or nomadlist.com to estimate costs for accommodation, food, transportation, and other expenses. This research can help you plan realistically and avoid overspending. 3. Set spending limits. Establish daily or weekly spending limits to keep your expenses under control. This simple practice helps prevent impulse purchases and ensures you stay within your budget. 4. Choose affordable destinations. Consider digital nomad-friendly locations like Chiang Mai, Mexico City, or Tbilisi. These cities offer excellent quality of life at a fraction of the cost of more expensive destinations. 5. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Prioritize experiences over possessions. Traveling light not only saves money on transport and storage, but also simplifies your life, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. 6. Build multiple income streams. Diversify your income with freelance work, remote jobs, or passive income sources like online courses or affiliate marketing. A steady and varied income helps you weather financial fluctuations. 7. Leverage discounts and deals. Use platforms like Airbnb for long-term stays, sign up for travel rewards programs, and take advantage of local discounts to save money. 8. Be flexible. Adapting to local norms and seasons can save you a lot. For example, traveling during off-peak times often leads to lower costs for flights and accommodations. By implementing these tips, you'll have a stronger grasp of your finances and be better equipped to enjoy your digital nomad lifestyle without constant money stress. Budgeting isn't just about restricting yourself. It's about unlocking opportunities and creating stability. By taking control of your finances, you gain the freedom to make smarter financial decisions, reduce anxiety about money, create a sustainable lifestyle, focus on what matters most, adapt to new opportunities. Ultimately, budgeting is about designing a life that aligns with your goals and values. It's the foundation that empowers you to live your dream digital nomad lifestyle without sacrificing your financial well-being. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on remote work and the digital nomad lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box for a free downloadable budget template to kickstart your planning. Let us know in the comments, what's your dream destination as a digital nomad? See you in the next video!